Alright, folks, so we just got down to the dock. It's extremely windy today, so I'm going to try to block some of that out with my hood. But some more bait today. Smaller shad, bigger shad, huge shad. So hopefully we have some luck on this side. Got one bait out already. Right there. Yep, about to put this one on right now. So bear with me, and we'll get to fishing. Here's our sheds. We're going to put the big ones on because why not? They were getting eat pretty good the other day. So hopefully they're still around and hungry. Always try to get that scale. I'm sure everybody in the world that fishes knows that, but anyway, let's cast them out and see what happens. Alright, so I will keep you guys posted, and let's get a fish. We got our first bass. He just jumped up out of the water. Sorry you missed the takedown, folks, but it had been so long. There he goes again. He's not bad. It's a cute little guy. Oh, not that good. Maybe like 4. Hey, buddy. I appreciate you eating them. I was getting kind of lonely over here. Hands are food. Whew. Alrighty. He might be 4. Let's find out. Whoa, 4 on the nose. Nope, 4.8, 4.6, 4.7, 4.5 pounds. Dang, bud, I undersized you. Sorry. Alright, let's release him back into the wild. Sorry about the wind noise here. Here he goes. See you, pal. Let's try this smaller one out. Hopefully he gets a little more action. Not bad. Pretty good cast. Show you where that's at. That's as far as my zoom goes, but he's out there. Alright, folks. I might be seeing something happen, but it is freezing cold. Yep, there it is. Probably not pickerel. Not pretty soon. Yeah, whatever it is. Nope, it's bass. Pretty nice one too. I'm gonna make you turn. Oh, no, we're not. He's in my other line. He's trying to. Oh, gosh. He is really putting up some power. Not bad for a 5-pounder. Maybe even 6, but I'm guessing 5. He tried real hard to get away. That's nice fish. Maybe the biggest one on this side so far. Let's see. Hey, heck yeah. Let's see that. Ow. 5.7, 5.9, 5.10, 5.10. Let's say 5.10. Not a bad that fish it up. Alright everybody, 510. We're up to 10 pounds of bass today. 8 pounds. Yeah, we're now, huh? See ya. It's feeding time because this one just got hit too. Again, this is 8 pound line, so I'm going to be a little more gentle. But he's on there. Oh, heck yeah. There he comes. Thought it was coming. Shaking all over. Tell you what, we're going to get a little further down so he doesn't get my line. I just untangled this one. Oh, it's a doggone pickerel. Well, thank goodness he weren't a bass. I don't think this rod could have, or this line could have handled you. There you go, folks. Pickerel like these guys too. Got a pretty big head on them too. Not a bad pickerel, but they are tasty. Woo! See you, buddy. Woo! He's out there. Let's fix this. Let's catch some fish. I thought we were into something pretty good there for a minute. We got the 2 bass, we got the pickerel. Thought we were about to turn on a little bit. Oh, here we go. I guess I was right. Oh, that's a bass. I feel his head shaking from me. Not sure his size yet, but hey, not too big. He's trying to get away. Just like that 5 pounder. Here he comes again. But this guy is small. I'm guessing 3.5. Oh gosh, he is fighting now, so I might be way off on that. Oh, get out of my line, buddy. Oh, you jerk. Oh, you messed that up bad. Thanks, pal. That's gonna be fun to get out. Oh, you're 4. Oh. Dang, that's buried in your face, isn't it? Hopefully nothing takes that blue line, or else we're completely not going to be in a good spot. That 3rd bass. I'll say a little smaller this time, but it's still good. Let's get it measured up. Back in the water. 3:15. 4 on the nose. All right, here's a 4 pounder. Let's get him back in the water. See you later. At least my lucky guys of the day, they get to go home. But a couple of them in there don't look too good. There's some big ones. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we're gonna do this again.